Rain is falling through the silence, like the sky has learned to cry, and the earth feels new and softer under clouds that drift so wide. Every season brings a change now, every garden blooms again. And I wonder, in this rainfall, can you wash away my pain? What if mercy comes like rainfall? What if springtime brings forgiveness? Maybe flowers bloom to tell me nothing broken stays the same. There are fears I hide so deeply, of the things I've done before, and I wonder if forgiveness still could reach me at my door. If you save the ones before us through the sorrow and the flame, will your mercy still surround me when I softly call your name? يا رب انهط المطر رحمة، فاجعل على قلبي غفرانا. يا رب كما نجيت عبادك، فننجي روحي من الخسران. Like you sheltered hearts in hardship, like you healed the ones in pain, like the spring returns to flowers after cold and endless rain. If tomorrow feels much darker, be the light that pulls me through. And if fear begins to shake me, let my heart find rest in you. يا رب انهط المطر رحمة، اجعل على قلبي غفرانا. يا رب كما نجيت عبادك، فنجي روحي من الخسران. Now the rain feels soft around me, and the wind no longer aches. Maybe mercy walks with springtime, and new hope begins to wake.